Hello, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. I welcome everybody to this bonus episode of Excel Come VBA series. In this bonus episode, we'll learn how to import a data table from any website to our spreadsheet. Let's say we want to import the data from this Worldometer website. Now one thing is that you may simply select these tables and copy and paste it to your spreadsheet, but then the following day your data won't be updated. So how you can make your spreadsheet go update with your web page? Here's how you can do this. First of all, you copy your website URL and go to spreadsheet. Under this data tab, you select on from web. Now you paste your URL here, press on OK. Depending upon your laptop's performance and your internet connection, it may take some time to load that URL. It has displayed a whole bunch of tables. You may select them individually and take a preview in this tab and press unload. It's generating the table here. You may close this query and connection dialog, and boom, you have successfully imported your table. Now in the following day, if you want to get this table updated, then you may simply check on refresh. So this is what I think to be an end of this series. I really hope that you guys have learned a lot from my episodes, and if you are checking this video out for the first time, then please don't forget to check out my previous videos. Follow me on my YouTube channel for tutorials related to Excel, AutoCAD, SketchUp and building modeling in SAP 2000. I'll attach a feedback link in the description. Take some time and fill it up. Just a couple of questions to discuss about what type of tutorial videos are you guys looking for in the coming days and on which softwares. So see you guys again. Till then, stay safe, take care, keep learning, keep smiling.